Quick, right now, in your head, what's the number? How much money do you think you actually need to retire? Got it? I promise you, you're probably wrong. By the end of this video, you'll know your real number, and it might shock you. Welcome to Wealth Simplified. Subscribe so you never miss a video like this. Let's find your real number. Most people guess $500,000. Some say $1 million if they're feeling fancy. Some just say, I'll work part-time or Social Security will cover it. Here's the problem. Even the experts can't agree. The famous 4% rule said retire with a number. Withdraw 4% a year, done. But in 2026, Morningstar updated that to 3.9%. And the guy who invented the 4% rule back in 1994, he now says up to 5.5%. Might be safe with the right portfolio. 3 experts, 3 different answers. So how do you find your actual number? Here's the simple version. Picture your retirement savings as a cookie jar. Every year you take out a small percentage, the safe withdrawal rate. Take too much, the jar runs dry. Take too little, you're being overly cautious with your own money. The formula is dead simple. How much you want to spend each year in retirement divided by your safe withdrawal rate. That's your number. Let's actually do this. Let's use the updated 2026 rate, 3.9%. Let's say you want a comfortable retirement, not extravagant. Comfortable, $5,000 a month. That's $60,000 a year. Using the 3.9% rule, we divide $60,000 by 0.039. Let's do this together. $60,000 divided by 0.039 equals. Now here's the part that matters more than the number itself. When you start decides how hard that number is to hit. Start at age 25. You need about $245 a month to reach $1.54 million by 65. Wait until 35. Now you need about $680 a month for the exact same result. Wait until 45. You need over $2,025 a month. Same destination, wildly different journey. Every year you wait doesn't just delay you, it multiplies what you need to catch up. Chatra, $1,540,000. That's your real number, not $500,000, not I'll figure it out later. $1.54 million sitting in accounts, working for you before you can safely retire on $5,000 a month. So, what's your number now? Comment your age below and I'll help you do the math. Subscribe for more videos like this every week. I'm Wealth Simplified. Let's build this together.